Oh, what's going on, guys? As you can see, I've been working. I'm just very sweaty. It's like 100 and something degrees out here today. So my buddy Alex, he has the same kind of car. It's a 2008 FA5 SI, but I'm gonna show you what happened. So mistakes were made, and it's not gonna happen again. I'm not gonna say what happened, but the car did get in an accident. So Alex is okay. He's fine. He got hurt, but I mean, you know, with an accident, who doesn't get hurt? Some people are lucky and they don't. So you can see I already started taking off all the parts so we can get this motor out. Started cutting off the front end. The door was pushed in. You guys can see how bad this is. It's literally like against it. The subframe that holds the motor up is like literally on the floor. The floor right here is all fucked up. Took off all the plastic and stuff so that way we could sell it to help him pay for a new one. Like literally this rim is busted. So this is all going to the metal guys, so they'll be happy. But the motor is already sold, or it's pending right now. I just got to pull it out. Pretty much have everything to go, ready to go. It's a bit wobbly, so it's able to come out, but I got to get this axle out over here, which I'm dreading because it's hot as fuck. And then once I get that axle out, I can pull out the motor, and then this engine bay is done. And then I move on to interior, so I can rip that out and sell that, make some money, help them out. Fuck, it's hot. And then I got Luis here with me. He's just chilling. Okay, so I just went to the mailbox and I got a care package. I didn't even expect this from at Tays B18 CRX. That's TAYS B18 CRX. And if you guys know anything about me, I like comics. So he sent me a bunch of comics. I have been collecting them for years. And he sent me a note, so we're going to read the note first. He says, "Yo, Chris, thanks for all the inspo and just being real. The world needs more people like yourself. Thought you might want like these. I know you appreciate little shit like this. From my personal stash to you, much love. Brother, stay blessed. Tay." There's the note. It's probably backwards on camera. Hopefully not. And he sent me fucking Street Fighter, dude. Suicide Squad, fucking DC's Essentials, an old school Spider-Man. Look how much that was worth back in the day, 50 cents back in the day. Aquaman, when he's fighting the trench. Another Aquaman from the New 52. Batman, love me some Batman. And Superman, if you guys can see that, there it is. Thank you, Tay, dude. I appreciate it if you're watching this. Dude, I really was not expecting this. I was like, what the hell did I order? I was like, I didn't order anything. But, dude, thank you. I appreciate the hell out of this. This is fucking dope. These are definitely going to get graded, and then they're going to go hanging on my wall. That's usually what I try to do with them. Still waiting on my comics to get back from CGC, but they take fucking forever. But thank you, Tay. I'm going to reach out to you right now. Okay, got the cat out because I already have a buyer for the catalytic converter.
I'm working on it right now.
Oh.
Too damn loud.
We took out the axle and it busted already. So, all that's left I think is just to pull it. Oh, God. Yep, axle's fucked. Throw this in the metal guy pile. Hit. Watch yourself, Bill. Yeah, Louise is right. The tire's gonna sag, but it don't matter. And in about a week, it won't even be matter. So. Fuck. Tired. Dirty. Hot. Okay, so tomorrow, me and Louise, we're gonna pull this engine because it's getting pretty late, for one, and two, we don't have a place to put this, so we got to clean out the garage here at Louise's house. And then we can get started on pulling this bad boy. So we'll continue this tomorrow. It is 2:59 and this hoe is still asleep. He was supposed to clean up the garage so we have a place to put this fucking motor. And I guarantee you, his ass is still asleep. Guess what I'm doing by myself? Thanks, Louise. People say one thing and they do another. Fantastic. Fucking absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna pull this bitch up by myself. So, and it's like fucking 109 degrees out here and getting hotter. So my neighbor, he's gonna bring me a sledgehammer so I can bang this out this way, so that way we don't have any pinching of the transmission, so we could actually pull it out. It's unbolted. Everything's unbolted. It's just sitting there on its own. Look, it's just sitting there. So once I bang that out, I'm gonna actually have to have it like picked up on the engine hoist itself, and then hopefully the engine just swings out. We do think the oil pan is cracked, so that's a plus. Shit. This car is a mess, man. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I cut this so we can get in here and get more area. Like, remove the whole mount, remove the shifter link, the shift linkage, cut the exhaust, got the catalytic converter out so that way somebody could buy it. All this is all metal. People hitting me up, hey man, you still have the speakers for this thing? I'm like, yeah, if you want them. I mean, like, shit. Like, damn. Got the alternator, the water pump housing, doohickey thingamajig that everybody always deletes. I don't know what the fuck. You got the Hasport logo going on right there. I'm sorry, not the Hasport logo, but you got the Innovative logo going on right there. That's literally where they got their logo from. Mind you, this is my very first time pulling a K. So if I do something wrong, by all means critique me. By all means talk shit. I tried to save the wiring harness as much as I could, but like I said, everything was pinched in there, so I had to cut some shit. But hopefully it comes out good. Hopefully not. I don't care. I just want to get it out. I had to cut the frame here because obviously you can see where it was going up and down, and this was all bent, so couldn't even get this off because the bolt was right next to the metal of the bar going across. Now I'm just waiting on Luis so he can help me out, but I don't know where the fuck he's at. Okay, so I have the chain bolted up down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's bolted down there, and then this chain comes up, and they're gonna meet right here because this chain, the chain I originally had for this thing is not long enough, and the other bolt's gonna go right here, and I'm just gonna impact that down so that way it doesn't come loose. And here comes Bill with the sledgehammer. It's such a weird way to hit it because I have to hit this right here. For those who are watching at home, there's no room to hit it, so I have to like literally swing into it. You're in the camera.
Yeah.
So like I gotta fucking swing it a weird way. Ooh. Well, I think I just broke the shift selector. Nope. No, I didn't. There was a bolt in the way. It's almost there.
Yeah?
Just a few more contours, and then it's there. Man. Do you guys see this fucking thing? It's in the way of this. So I'm literally like right there. If you know what I'm saying, B.
It's bent out far enough?
Yep. I just hope that this fucking lock does not snap on me.
Twang. Almost.
It's this fucking mount, man.
Yeah.
I can't get it because this bolt back here is in the way. And it's being pinched. I can't bang that out. I don't have a hammer or anything. Damn it.
Easy, everybody would do it.
Right?
Yeah.
Damn it. Oh, man. This is annoying.
Yeah.
Okay, we got that much out. We got the fucking piece out. Okay, let's see if I can get this boy out today.
Yeah, right now. Oh, it's got to come up. It's coming out.
There it is. There it the fuck is.
Whoop. Could you imagine doing this whole thing in the yard without any power tools?
No. Damn, all these fucking hoses need to go. It's still being held on by
Clamps?
Move, dog. Move, boy. Damn. Mac, can you go lick your ass somewhere else?
Go.
Jesus, dude. All up in the way.
Yeah.
So it's ready to go.
If you ain't got a wrench.
Oh, shit.
Coming out?
Yeah, it's coming out, but we got a problem. The fucking shift selector, this is in the way. That needs to go. The hoses need to be cut, or what have you. And this harness needs to go right here.
Oh, everything's getting chop.
Well, give it a cut.
Dude.
All right, go ahead, slide it.
Nope.
What do you mean, no? Nope, what? You're not gonna, you don't want to slide it.
Oh, I can't.
Why?
You gotta cut this.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Something. What the hell? Now, wow.
I told you it wasn't. You didn't have to cut
I'm
anything.
stuck on something. My glasses are deceiving me. We only have them 24 hours.
Can't see shit with the glasses on. Huh?
All right, go ahead, pull it back because I don't know how strong this lock is. I'm using the lock from your gate.
Well,
Aye, wait.
I believe it's free.
It is now free.
good job, Alex. Fucking bending pipe over there.
What, this?
Yep. Highway.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Is it going to live off his side?
No. Look at his brake booster.
That's hot.
Jesus. H. Christmas.
You think he'll sell me the something?
Why would you want it? Well, Alex, the motor's out. As you're sitting in your hospital bed, probably watching the Young and the
Softcore porn?
No, the Young and the Reckless. So they play in hospitals.
Is he actually in the hospital?
No, that's just a joke that we're giving him. I already made a joke when he came over. I was sitting in the front seat going, "I can't get out, help me!" And he was laughing and he's like, "You're fucked up." I'm so fucking stupid. I thought this was his brake master cylinder. That's his brake master cylinder. Fuck. Well, I mean, we still got to get the pedals off. Damn. Look at this is what we were talking about when we said that it got hit. So hopefully it's still good. Hopefully. What do you think? 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 Think it's good? Oh yeah.
It's good.
It's good. You said the oil pan's cracked. I don't see no oil. That's all coolant that I was draining out.
Right here on this side.
Oh,
That is a crack.
that's a hairline crack.
I don't think his crank got fucked up.
Yeah, I know. That's just a hairline fracture, if you will. Yeah. So,
It's cracked, like my old neighbors.
Jesus.
Fucking, he could have ended up not really
So-
able to get shit.
So Louise looks at this and says, "Oh, did it hit? No? Oh, he's so lucky." And then me and Bill just like look at the car and just start laughing. Yeah, he's real fucking lucky,
This
dude.
is being lucky. I'd hate to see the.
I hate to see him unlucky.
Look, he could be dead and he could not be able to sell the money.
True. Hi. Well, we got the motor out. and it only took me a few days to do it in this extreme heat that we have. Got a lot of other dash pieces out. Got the stuff right here. Got my water right there. Got my phone right there. And got me right here. So, with that being said, I got more stuff to do. I gotta take out the, what is it called? The interior. Find a buyer for that to help him pay for these medical bills of his. And, do you think these pedals will sell? They look like the Civic Type R pedals, but they're not. You know, they're oh, I don't want to flood the engine. God damn it. They're the FA5 pedals.